Hello friends, welcome in our channel. Here we demonstrating VEICHI VFD with 3-wire mode selection. Let's see the parameter for 3-wire mode connection. Press the program key. Let's move in the function 1. Now set. Let's move 01.01. In this parameter set 1 for external digital switching. Okay, that already set is. Now move to next. Here if you want to change the frequency by using this digital keypad, so put it in 0. Otherwise in the case of this keypad potentiometer you want to use, set 1, or in the case if you want to use external potentiometer, in that case put 2. Okay, but we are using here inbuilt potentiometer, so we are keeping this one set. Now next, go back by pressing program again. Now move in the 5th group, set in this group 05.02. In this parameter set 3 for x3 command. It doesn't need to do anything else in these parameter. Now directly move in 05.20. okay, in this parameter set 2 for 3-wire mode set. Okay, now in this parameter we set 2. Now go back by pressing this key. Okay, now it's done, the parameter. Let's check it whether it's working or not. It shows now RPM. If you want to set this RPM into frequency, press set. Again set. Now it shows the running frequency 40 Hz. Can be changed by using inbuilt potentiometer. Now for off, using this NC push button, going to off. Okay, for forward reverse, use this selector switch for forward and reverse. Okay. Actually the wiring is like this. From this common point, we took a wire from this common point and feed to this NC push button. Okay, from now and throughout the NC push button, one wire feed to X3 terminal. Here it is X3 terminal for off operation. Through this NO push button, another wire feed to X1, which is used for forward or run operation, and for reverse operation we using another selector switch. Okay, this feed to X2 terminal of VFD. This is used for forward and reverse selection. Okay, green button is for run operation. The motor. If you want to change the direction, use this selector switch. Now it's running in counterclockwise. These 3 points RST is always connected at input side. RST, these 3 points are connected at input side, and UVW, these 3 points are always connected to motor side. UVW. Okay, further if you want to connect additional potentiometer, for that you have to use these connection plus 10 volt this have to connect in third terminal of potentiometer. GND ground, this should be connected in first point on the potentiometer, and the midpoint or second number point have to connect with AI of this VFD. So thus you can connect additional potentiometer on it. Okay friends, so thank you for watching this video, and if you like the video, please share, comment and subscribe, and for the more information just stay with our channel. Thank you.